Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Kindergarten Video Lectures. Let's explore, learn, and have fun together on this exciting educational journey.
Dear kids, let's meet with the new number 7. Red, orange, yellow, and green. Blue, indigo, and violet. The brightest rainbow. Count the color in the rainbow in the picture and count the ducks, count the butterflies. Let's count the beads on the bead bar. How many beads are there now? Ducks, colors, butterflies. Dear kids, do you know? Have you ever seen a rainbow in the sky? See you in the next lesson.